Hello and welcome to Jeff's Pianist Academy. This is the second video of our three-part series where we work on Für Elise by Ludwig van Beethoven. If you missed part 1, please click on the link somewhere in the corner up here. In last video we got to know that Für Elise is written in a rondo form, so we have a main theme and 2 episodes, and the main theme in between of these episodes. So we can also say that the main theme is an A, episode number 1 is B, then we have the main theme again. This would be an A again, and the second episode would be C. And then we have the main theme again. In today's video, we're going to work on the second episode, which is in A minor. Here we have a repetition in the left hand. It's recommended to play this repetition with this fingering, so the third, the second, and the first. I've seen some professional pianists playing it with just one finger, but if you are a beginner, playing with just one finger can lead to this. So, alternating the fingers should help you to avoid the tension. While playing the fifth, bring out the lower voice. The chromatic should be well heard. I wrote this fingering for you, so it would be the fifth and the first finger, then the fourth and the first, then, let's move forward, we have this, the second and the fourth, and an octave here. So one more time. Please take enough time to practice these 3 measures in the left hand and practice the hands separately. So let's see what the right hand is doing. First of all, we have a diminished 7th chord. It sounds very intense and a little bit terrifying. I prefer to play it with this fingering, but if your hands are small, you can also play it with this, with the 5th finger on top, yeah? This fingering allows you to resolve the chord easier because you have a free 5th finger for a D. If not, this is fine too. If you play this chord, make sure your thumb is not located at the arch at the end of this key. It should be a little bit moved toward the middle of the keys, because you have to play with the 4th finger, which is also shorter than the 3rd one. You have to play this C sharp. So you have to find a comfortable position. It's not this would be a diminished 7th chord, so here is one note missing, but it still has this terrifying mission. And then it is released to A minor chord. I wrote you dynamics here, so I would do the crescendo here. Forte. And then from here on you start doing the diminuendo. And then again, sorry. Crescendo begins. B flat major. Four, 4, 3. And this third stays the same. In some addition, you can see here the 8th note and not the quarter note, plus staccato and tenuto, so it would be this articulation. But let's come to the beginning again. So when you start playing this passage, make sure that you have enough power in your hand, so you have to feel here very comfortable. When the people want to play forte, very often it ends up being very loud and not pleasant at all because it's too aggressive. You should have a feeling that you would be able to get up from the piano, like from this powerful but yet not aggressive sound. So it would be like this. Ta. Like you would be pushing the piano away. Ta, 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 ta. Then you could take more sound out of the piano. So I will play it one more time for you. Sorry. In this measure where you play the sixth, have a feeling like if you would be dribbling a ball, a basketball ball, like tung, 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 tung. Both hands are doing this movement. If you find it difficult to slide on a B flat key, you can try to play in this measure just with one finger, like you're alternating the fingers here, and then you can play it just with the middle finger, and then again. But practice it in a slow tempo and see how it works for you. You need to get used to this fingering. In our next video, we will be working on this passage. So if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please do it now so you don't miss the next video. Good luck and all the best!